welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my Instagram story. And you all will get a chance to vote which one is your favorite. So let's talk about the products. The first product I want to talk about is Unwash Hydrating Mask. This one is a 2.5 ounce and they also have a 6.4 ounce. Now this one is a travel size. I believe you could purchase it through the website. I also saw it at the Walmart website, which was interesting. So it does say online only though when you order it from Walmart.
So go ahead and order it from Walmart.
It is nourishing and infuses the hair by restoring its natural oils. It has organic argan oil to reduce the frizz and add shine. And it has hydrolyzed quinoa to protect, repair, moisturize, and to complete the protein to make your hair silkier. It will add volume and feel hydrated, softer, smoother, and keep your hair healthy all day long. What's great about this is that it's safe for color-treated hair, and it's for all hair types. If you do have thick, coarse hair, you may want to reapply it 2 or 3 times. I would just experiment it, see if you need it once. If it didn't work out the first time, try it again, add it 2 times. And, just kind of have fun with it. Experiment. It's all about experimenting. So with this little guy, you want to apply it from the root to the ends. Leave on 3 to 4 minutes. Go ahead, use your fingers to distribute it or a comb. And all you have to do is rinse after that. If you feel like it's too much at the top of the roots, then feel free to go ahead and do it from mid to ends. Like I said, it's all about experimenting. This little guy can do it all, so have fun with it. Alright, next one is the Schwarzkopf Keratin Restore Mask for blondes, of course. It is a bonding mask, so think of it as like an Olaplex number 3, kind of like it's its alternate, or should I say like a dupe. But anyways, they're similar. Many brands have their own Olaplex number 3. So this one's Schwarzkopf. It is only for blondes though. The size of this is a 1.0 ounce. It's a sample size. Not sure how I got that. Probably at Ulta. But their other sizes are 6.7 ounce and 16.9 ounce. So this little guy has bonding technology. Basically, that means it helps replenish, repair, and nourish, and makes it stronger by creating new bonds. It will refresh your dull, faded hair, but in order to achieve that, you want to use this guy twice a week. After cleansing with the shampoo and conditioner, you want to go ahead and use this mask, apply it again all over, and leave it in there for 5 to 10 minutes. Go ahead and rinse after that.
One more time, use it twice a week.
Now for the results of your favorite hair mask. Here we go. Schwarzkopf Blonde Me is 67% and Unwash is 33%. You are the winner. Remember to comment below which one is your favorite. We've got the Unwash or the Schwarzkopf Blonde Me. And let me know why you like it, how you like it, what's going on with it, details. And I will feature you in my next week's video. Thank you all for watching my last week's video. We got no comments on the product, but we did get a lot of comments about the background. They seem to be loving it. Look at this. Look at the stars. Look at the glitter. The glitz. The glam. The products fell. Alright. I'm loving it. I'm glad you guys are all loving it. Thank you very much. Alright, see you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Bye.